Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation on whether becoming a MRICS is truly worth it. In this session, we look at the real pros, cons, career impact, financial investment, and practical challenges of pursuing chartership. This is not a promotional presentation, it is an honest and balanced discussion designed especially for construction professionals, quantity surveyors, engineers, and APC aspirants trying to decide if MRICS aligns with their career goals, lifestyle, and long term plans. So let's get started. Before discussing whether MRICS is worth pursuing, it's important to understand what MRICS actually means. RICS stands for the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors, a globally recognized professional body for construction, property, land, and infrastructure professionals. MRICS is a chartered membership status awarded after successfully completing the APC process and demonstrating professional competence and ethics. Today, MRICS is recognized in many international markets and is commonly associated with professionalism, credibility, and global industry standards. This slide shows the typical APC journey followed by most MRICS candidates. The process usually starts with enrolling with RICS and selecting a counselor who guides your preparation. Candidates then record their competencies and practical experience while continuing full time work. Alongside that, they complete CPD activities and structured learning. The next major step is preparing the case study and final submission documents, followed by the final assessment interview. For most professionals, the complete journey typically takes around 18 to 24 months and requires consistent effort, discipline, and time management. One of the biggest advantage of MRICS is global recognition. The qualification is widely respected across many international construction and property markets. MRICS can also improve client confidence because chartered status reflects professionalism, ethics, and accountability. Another important benefit is access to a strong professional network through RICS events, communities, and industry resources. Over time, MRICS also becomes part of your professional identity and personal brand, especially for professionals aiming for long term career growth and international exposure. This slide highlights the career advantages that MRICS can bring to construction professionals. In markets like the UK and Ireland, many consultancies and senior commercial roles either prefer or require chartered status. MRICS can also improve international mobility, especially in regions where global professional standards are valued. For client facing consultants, chartership often adds credibility during proposals, tenders, and stakeholder interactions. And for professionals planning independent consulting or expert advisory work in the future, MRICS can strengthen professional positioning and trust. MRICS is not just about adding letters after your name. The APC process also contributes to personal and professional growth. It helps professionals structure and clearly communicate the knowledge they have gained through experience. The preparation process also improves communication and presentation skills, especially when explaining technical topics to clients or interview panels. Another major benefit is increased professional confidence because your competencies are being assessed against the international standards. And finally, the APC journey builds discipline, self awareness, and continuous learning habits that can benefit your career long after qualification. This slide covers some of the real challenges professionals should understand before starting the APC journey. The biggest challenge is usually time commitment. Most candidates prepare alongside a full time job, often spending several hours every week for many months. Another challenge is competency exposure because some required competencies may not naturally come with your daily role. The final assessment interview can also create pressure, especially if preparation is rushed or inconsistent. And finally, there is always some uncertainty in the outcome. Referral is possible, and many competent professionals do not pass on the first attempt. So, resilience and consistency are very important throughout the process. This is the financial reality of pursuing MRICS. Apart from the enrollment and annual subscription fees, candidates may also spend on coaching, study material, and CPD activities depending upon their preparation style. But more than money, the biggest investment is actually your time and consistency. Most professionals prepare alongside full time work, family responsibilities, and personal commitments. At the same time, MRICS should not be viewed as a guaranteed salary booster. The return on investment depends heavily on your market, role, experience, and long term career goals. For professionals in consultancy, international market, or client facing roles, the long term value can often outweigh the initial investment. This slide is important because it sets realistic expectations about MRICS. MRICS can improve your professional positioning, but it does not automatically guarantee a salary increase or promotion. Career growth still depends on factors like technical ability, communication skills, market demand, and how you present your value professionally. In many contractor or specialist roles, practical delivery experience may still matter more than post nominal titles. And finally, MRICS is not valued equally in every company or region. So, professionals should always evaluate whether chartership aligns with their specific career path and market. This slide answers a very common question: what matters more, MRICS or experience? The reality is that both are important and one does not completely replace the other. Technical skills and project experience remain the foundation of a strong construction career, especially in contractor and delivery focused roles. MRACS adds value by formalizing your competence, improving professional credibility, and strengthening opportunities in consultancy and international markets. At the same time, communication, networking, and leadership skills continue to play a major role in the long term career growth. So, the professionals who usually benefit the most from MRACS are those who already have solid experience and use chartership to enhance their professional positioning. This slide highlights an important point. MRACS is valuable, but it is not mandatory for every construction professional. For consultants, client facing professionals, and those targeting international markets like the UK, Ireland, or Middle East, MRACS can provide significant career advantage. It can also be useful for professionals planning independent consulting or long term advisory roles. At the same time, for highly specialized technical professionals or contractor side delivery roles, chartership may not always be essential for career growth. So, before starting the APC journey, it is important to ask yourself whether MRACS genuinely supports your own career goals, market, and long term priorities. This checklist is designed to help you decide whether pursuing MRACS is the right step for you at this stage of your career. Ask yourself honestly whether you are looking for international opportunities, long term professional credibility, and structured career growth. You should also consider whether you can realistically commit the required time and effort alongside work and personal responsibilities. Another important factor is whether your current industry, employer, or target market genuinely values chartership. If your answer is yes to most of these questions, MRACS could be a strong investment for your future. If not, it may simply mean that the timing or career path is different for you right now. This slide addresses some of the most common misconceptions about MRACS. The first myth is that MRACS automatically guarantees a high salary. In reality, chartership improves your professional positioning, but salary growth still depends upon market demand, negotiation, and experience. Another misconception is that MRACS instantly makes someone a better quantity surveyor. The APC process formalizes and validates existing skills. It does not replace practical experience. Some professionals also believe that success is impossible without MRACS, which is not true. Many successful construction professionals have built strong careers without chartership. And finally, MRICS is not only for managers. Many individual contributors pursue chartership simply for professional credibility, structured growth, and international recognition. Before starting the APC journey, proper preparation and clarity are very important. First, speak with current MRICS professionals to understand the real challenges and expectations of the process. Second, identify your competency gaps early and understand where you may need additional exposure or experience. Choosing the right counselor is also critical because strong guidance can make a significant difference throughout the APC journey. And finally, focus on genuine learning and competence development rather than simply trying to complete documentation or memorize answers for the interview. As we conclude, it is important to remember that MRICS is a professional tool, not your entire identity. Chartership can open doors, improve credibility, and support long term career growth. But it should complement your skills and experience, not replace them. The strongest professionals in the industry are usually those who combine technical competence, practical experience, ethics, communication skills, and continuous learning. So, pursue MRICS if it genuinely aligns with your career direction and personal goals. not simply because others are doing it. At the end of the day, your value as a professional is defined by the impact you create, not only by the letters after your name. So drop in your thoughts, questions, or experience with regards to MRA6 in the comments. Do subscribe this channel for honest career focused content for construction professionals. Thanks a lot for watching this video and good luck on your journey.